Think you're smart? Answer these 10 crazy true or false questions, only 1% get them all right. Let's see if you're one of them. Octopus have 3 hearts. True. False. True. 2 pump blood to the gills and 1 to the body, but it actually stops beating when they swim. Humans share about 70% of their DNA with bananas. True. False. True. Crazy but true, our genetic code has some wild connections with the plant world. The Great Wall of China is visible from the moon. True. False. False. This is a myth. Nothing man-made is visible from the moon with the naked eye. Goldfish only have a 3-second memory. True. False. False. Goldfish can actually remember things for weeks. Don't underestimate them. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. True. False. False. Lightning often strikes the same place multiple times, especially tall buildings. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. True. False. True. Billions of galaxies with billions of stars, the universe is huge. Bats are blind. True. False. False. They actually see quite well and also use echolocation to hunt. Sharks are mammals. True. False. False. Sharks are actually fish. They lay eggs and breathe through gills. Humans can survive in space without a suit for 10 seconds. True. False. True. You'd lose consciousness quickly, but you could survive around 10 to 15 seconds before things get fatal. Your fingernails grow faster when you're cold. True. False. False. They actually grow faster in the summer, not the winter, due to better blood circulation. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who's the real genius.